YouTube? It's your boy Demon X Joshua. Today we is back on the YouTube video to the 5 scary videos filmed by Doorbell camera. Make sure you guys hit that like, comment, subscribe button. Thank you guys for making me hit 100 subscribers, bro. It's lit, bro. I beat my goal for 2022. I done beat my goal, bro. We going on another grind. We're gonna grind up to 500 so we can hit 500 this school year, or by the ending of this year. I see we could be close to it, bro. We're on the grind, bro. We're on the grind. We're not gonna stop, man. I appreciate y'all, bro. Yesterday I was so happy, man. I was so happy I hit 100, bro. I'm like, bro, it's supposed to come a long way, and I guarantee it's gonna come a long way. But yeah, make sure you hit that like, subscribe on gang. Go follow my Instagram at Demon X Job. I'm gonna always post my icon up there. Demon Gang, we are signing in on gang. Wow. We gonna hop into this video on gang. Oh shoot, that fire is wicked. Oh no, wait, what? I never played that. Hold on, I don't see what. Let me see.
What you're looking at is Santa Clarita, California during the tick
in the
fire of
background
2019.
over there. Okay, okay.
The homeowner writes, the fire had just started and within minutes it surrounded our home.
Bro, when was this? I never heard anything of this. When did this happen?
People were evacuated only
2019?
minutes before the fire approached.
This is wild.
Los Angeles
wild,
Magazine
bro.
reports that the tick fire burnt through several thousand acres and forced mass evacuation of some 40,000 people. Luckily, no one was hurt in this video, and this family's home was miraculously saved.
That's wild. That is wild.
Number 4. It's everyone's worst nightmare. A home intruder breaking in the middle.
Okay, bro. I've been having dreams about this. Not dreams, but I've been like thinking of this for so long. Like, bro, alright, so you know like how it'd be like 8 o'clock or like 9 o'clock. Whenever it gets like nighttime, right? Every time it gets nighttime, I always gotta like go downstairs to make sure the doors are locked, front door locked, back door locked. I always have to, like, I just have this feeling like sometimes I be having dreams that there be people trying to break in my house or whatever. Like, bro, it's just like I don't know why I be having these dreams, but they just appear out of nowhere. And like I don't know if that's like I don't know what that mean, bro, but yo, I always gotta like go to the back door or go to the front door and check and make sure it's locked every night. Literally, bro. That's wild.
Of the night.
See, imagine somebody breaking in your house. Crazy, bro.
Hey, what do you need?
That's the homeowner's voice. This homeowner said he thought one of his son's friends was trying to get into the garage.
What do you need?
But then the man came into the house.
Hey, what do you need, dude?
That's wild. They gave me an ad. Come on, bro. This is wild, bro. They really put an ad right in the middle, bro. I gotta make sure I cut this out, bro. They gave me two ads, bro.
Sorry, I didn't mean to run into your house.
Who the f*** are you?
How do you go into somebody's house and then say sorry? I
The
didn't mean to go
homeowner
into
doesn't
your
know
house?
how far the
That
man
makes
entered
no
into
sense,
his
bro.
house.
Somebody's got the f***ing back door, dude.
Yo!
For real.
He ran out the front door to try and cut the man off, but he was gone.
I'm not f***ing joking, dude.
I know, I see the light. Look.
Number 3. You can probably guess that this guy's not a construction worker. He peers inside to see if anyone's home. Then he knocks again. He's looking a bit anxious. He tries to force the door. Notice he does so with a glove.
You see, bruh? It be people like this, like people that be just trying to break in their house, like, bro. That junk is like the most scariest thing to think of, to like realize, to like even trying to live on your own, bro. And now you gotta realize that there's gonna be people that be trying to break into your house or like just steal what you got. Like, bro, that junk is scary, bro. Like, oh my god, people like this should literally be locked up, bro.
No prints.
Literally.
Finally satisfied that the home is empty, he waves over his partner in crime. Then he calls someone on the radio.
Unbelievable, man.
His
Imagine
partner
there
arrives.
being kids and like a whole family actually in the house. That's unbelievable,
Armed
bro.
with the tools to break in.
Imagine having kids, little kids. Unbelievable, bro.
In short order, they try and force the door. But their plan is soon thwarted.
Get away from the door.
The homeowner was alerted on their phone and confronted the men through their doorbell camera, chasing them away. And triggering an alarm.
Unbelievable, bro. Unbelievable,
Number 2.
man.
Would you open the door if the police came dressed like this? These two suspicious men are trying to pull one over on this homeowner. They're knocking at 3 in the morning.
Unbelievable, man.
When they
This
finally
is so
speak, they
unbelievable,
claim to
bro.
be from CPD or Columbus Police
This
Department.
shit is actually heartbreaking, not gonna lie, bro. There be kids and bro, it's just you breaking into somebody's house, they got kids, they got a family, wanna be living their life, and you breaking in their house, and now they gotta worry about this and that and trying to look over their shoulder every 40 seconds, 30 seconds, bro. That junk is scary, bro. Unbelievable.
CPD, open up. We need to ask you a couple questions.
I don't think he's wearing that mask because he's sick. He tries again.
Unbelievable, bro.
At last, he gets an answer.
Can I help you?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions.
I'm sorry?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions. May you please step to the front door, please?
Obviously, the homeowner knows what's going on, but these guys are oblivious. They get into position.
CPD.
Yes, this is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please.
Meanwhile, the homeowner has called the cops.
Can I see a badge?
We would like you to step to the door, please, sir. I don't have to show you my badge, sir.
Okay, give me a second.
Okay.
According to city data, Columbus, Ohio has a crime rate 1.3 times higher than the US average. There were 641 burglaries per 100,000 residents in 2019.
Unbelievable, bro.
They try knocking again.
CPD, open the door.
Little do they know, the real CPD is on the way. Finally, they give up and they walk away empty-handed. Number 1. A tornado tore through Kentucky, and this doorbell camera bore witness. If you don't think what you're seeing deserves the number 1 spot, then listen to this.
Oh, snap. Boy, that's one booming tornado, bro. That tornado was wicked.
This has been documented reality. Thank you to these individuals for allowing me to share their story.
YouTube. Make sure you guys hit that like, comment, subscribe button on gang, bro. Watching this video make me like, I don't know, very like nervous inside and like, I don't know, just make me feel a lot right now. Like, bro, cause me, I want a family, I want kids. That's what I want for my future. Like, I want kids. Like, not even if I have a girlfriend, I just want kids, bro. Like, that's what I'm looking for. And like, people trying to break in people's houses and they got families and now they gotta look over their shoulders, this and that every time. That's just scary, bro. That junk is really scary. Especially when it's your first time living on your own and somebody breaking in your house on the first day. That junk is scary, bro. But yeah, guys, make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe button on gang. Go follow my Instagram at DemonXJoshua. I'm gonna also post my icon up there. Thank you guys for making me hit 100 subscribers. I appreciate it. We're gonna keep the grind going up this year. We're gonna be on the road to 1K sooner than whenever or eventually. We're gonna be on the road to 1K. Make sure you got that like, comment, subscribe button on gang. Demon X Squad, aka Demon Squad, Demon XXX Squad, Demon X Squad, Demon X Squad on gang. We are signing out on gang. Wow.
Move, look, move like